Alex Basha. Today we're gonna eat ASMR. I'm in Caribbean, so it's called Nata de Coco. Nata de Coco. It's Nata de Coco. This is the tiny version, so let's eat it. I'm very happy. I'm gonna try it because I'm trying this first time. So guys, I already opened it. This is yummy. It's very nice. It's very cold. Yeah. So it's hard to bite. They say they have like cubes in it.
Nawalan pa nga siya ng trabaho, di ba?
Ilan taong bata? Ilan taong?
Yummy. My favorite part is the
Hindi na
ginger.
meron? Anong hindi na meron? Menor.
Hindi na siya minoridad.
Minoralidad. Moralidad, ano? Ano ba yun talaga?
Hindi na siya minor.
Oh, yun.
Hindi na siya minoridad.
Minoridad. Pag mo nalagyan ng edad. Yawa. Minor na lang, okay na yan.
Minor.
Okay. Hindi na siya?
Hindi na siya minor.
Yan.
Bakit tinanggalan yung ano? Yung security guard.
Eh kasi maingay eh, di ba? Maingay yung social media tapos napahamak na yung SM Mega Mall. Kaya tinanggal na agad. Bago yung imbestigahan. Ay, kanina pa rin yung babae. Pantak mo siya. Tapos yung sa asan pa daw, ang parang ginagawa lang naman ng security guard yung trabaho niya kasi yung bata
Here, I
na
can bite here. I only
kapag
can bite here.
pinaalisan siya.
This is super
Gawa niya.
sensitive from cold.
Nagkataon lang na may nag-video. Yung mga tao, bigla-bigla na lang
Kaya, kawawa naman.
Naglalala kasi agad yung mga nasa social media. Wala na, hindi na mababalik yung ano.
Wala na.
Trabaho.
Nasa record na yan. Nagpapa-check yan. Social media.
Those are the cubes. I'm watching TV. If you didn't know, cold sometimes break your cold breaks your skin. Oh look, my hands is what my skin just like that. You cannot see, but I can see it. Ouchie, actually. There's ice in here.
Sige na, ganun muna. Ganun lang.
I have another one. I just put it in the table. Why did I put it in here, in the couch? So I forgot I need to put it on the table, and there's some stains. I don't care because I'm gonna wipe that off. But I'm gonna wipe it off. Wait. So guys, I already wiped it off. Just stop the video. Ah! And this too, like super sensitive. Sometimes. If you tell him where did I buy this, we sell Nando de Coco. We live in Gate 4. Gate 4. I mean, no, we're not. We live in Tondo, Manila. I think. I don't know where we live because my family didn't tell me yet. I'm begging them not where we live, so but they don't want it. They are not kidnappers, okay? The cubes has ice inside. It's yummy. It's hard to bite when it's super cold.
Palagay mo, Tony Bennett titirahin ngayon? Oo. Nakapasan niya dito sa Kasi may naisip na ano.
And I'm done. Let's eat the other one. And part 2. Bye!